Stage 2. Times 1 leaves me same. Anytime a number is multiplied by 1, the number remains the same. And that's because multiplying a number by 1 simply means count that number in just one place. So 1 times 1 means count 1 in just one place, and that leaves us with just 1. Same way, 1 times 3 means count 3 in just one place, and that leaves us with just what? 1, 2, 3. 3. So anytime we have to multiply a number by 1, we don't really have to keep thinking about it because we know that the number remains the same. So 1 times 7 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Don't forget, multiplication goes both ways. Now let's say a bigger number. 1000 multiplied by 1 would be what? 1000, because that means 1000 in one place. Times 1 leaves me same. Now you try this. Did you say 1 in all of those? Congratulations! You've been able to get rid of 23 out of your 144 math facts in your times table. You see, the 1 times table is gone, and all of this 1 times 7, 1 times 9, all of this 1 times is gone. 23 down. Let's see how we proceed with the rest as we go ahead in the next stage tomorrow. Make sure you answer the quiz that I've sent to you. I'll be responding to you immediately. I'll see you in your next stage. Bye-bye.